In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work set off 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 8 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook, and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. The chain stitch at the beginning is straight as a height and will not be counted into number of stitches. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One single crochet and 1 increase are finished, one set is done. There are 3 V shapes on the side. Keep working 7 more sets. The second set, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The second set is done. The third set, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The third set is done. The fourth set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The fifth set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The sixth set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The seventh set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The eighth set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Eight sets are done. Remove the marker. Insert the hook into the mark stitch. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop. Then pull the first loop on the hook through the range loop on the hook. That's one snip stitch. The snip stitch serves as a connection. It's not counted into a number of stitches. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet for 8 times. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook and put the yarn through the loop on the hook. The chain stitch is to raise a height and will not be counted into a number of stitches. Work 1 single crochet. Mark the first single crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. One single crochet, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet are finished. One set is done. There are 4 V-shapes on the side. Keep working 7 more sets. The second set, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. The second set is done. The third set, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. We have demonstrated 3 sets. Please finish the rest of 5 sets by yourself. Work 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet as one set. Eight sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. The snip stitch serves as a connection. It's not counted into a number of stitches. Round 4 is done.